Hello everybody, it's Bam Gamer here, and today I will be opening these Finance Freddy cards and token coin thing. So I have two. Let's open them. Okay, let's pull this out. Oops. Okay, here we have some card packs. We got 4, and here's the coin right here with 3 characters. They're really nice coins. They're like plastic, so they're not like paper or anything like that. Okay, let's open this one. Okay. Right. So we have 4 more packs. Right, 2 more, and then 2 more, 4. And then here we have another coin. So they're really nice. We have a yellow and a black one. They're really, really good. I wonder if Sim and I can play checkers with them. It'd be cool. But yeah, it's time for opening these, and let me just snip the tops of these and we can begin. Alright, I cut the tops of them, so let's begin. Yeah, Toy Bonnie, a Freddy, tag, Jeremy, Freddy, not Twisted Chica, Nightmare Chica, Bonnie, and Toy Bonnie. So that's cool. Okay, we got Toy Chica. She's going into the vent, and we have Withered Bonnie going in the vent. Withered Chica, Toy Bonnie, BB or Balloon Boy, Chica, Toy, I guess, Balloon Boy. And this is not cut well. Whoops. Guess I didn't cut that one well. Okay. Let's do this. Hello. Come out. Come out now. It won't come out. Hello. Withered Chica, Withered Freddy, Toy Bonnie, Toy Freddy, Weird Freddy, Marionette, and a plush Bonnie. This, and this is the last 2 unboxing of the cards and stuff that I'll do, because I don't have any more. That's all I've had. So I wanted Toy Chica, Withered Chica, and a plush Freddy. Do you guys watch Steven Universe? Cause yeah, it's amazing. I've been really going crazy over it since there's new fusions. Sunstone and Rainbow Quartz 2.0. Oh, cool. And Obsidian. We got Withered Foxy. And another pack. Oh, Foxy running down the hallway. Freddy, gonna kill you. And Golden Freddy, Withered Freddy, Chica, Freddy, and Mangle. Second to last pack. Second to last pack. Okay. Toy Freddy, that is dismantled. Keep the music playing. Toy Freddy, Toy Chica, Foxy, and Pizza, and Golden Freddy. Last pack. No surprise openings, really. I mean, I don't know. I don't have anything right now, so there's nothing after this. Okay, Withered Chica, Marionette, Golden Freddy, Toy Chica, and we have the Freddy, and we have Toy Freddy. Awesome. So, that'll do it for today. Have a nice day, and this is a little short video, but yeah. And if you guys want a room tour, because I got new sheets, and so did Sam, and it looks awesome, just tell me, and we'll do room tour. And since I did all the plush collection, yeah, so make sure to follow me on Omelette Arcade, and if you don't know what that is, I have a video explaining what it is and how to follow me and stuff like that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Subscribe for more. But yeah, till next time, bye.